What's good, y'all? So I made it up here to Orange County Farm Supply pretty much for one reason, and that is 6-pack strawberries. Because to be honest with you, bare root and planted are basically the same price. However, if I do see an elderberry, I might have to pick up 1 or 2 of them as well. All right, y'all, let's see what they got. Just what the doctor ordered, y'all. Hell yeah. All right, y'all, so the goal is to always try to find the cells that have more than one, because that's how you double down. It looks like all the double and triple cells have already been sold, you know what I'm saying? Dude. Of course, the next best thing then, y'all, is trying to find the best looking ones you can. Almost got me, dude. This one's a little bit too small back there, though. See that little guy? You don't mess with that guy. There we go. It's a nice one. Is this the Ozark? So the last time I went to HD, y'all, was showing if you buy more, you actually will spend less. And to keep it a full buck with y'all, I normally don't mess with bare root. I always just thought they were a lot cheaper. And to be even more honest, I very rarely buy plant starts. Majority of my crops, I start myself from seed, if I have time. However, strawberries, just cheaper for me to buy plant starts. But now looking at my strawberries, I'm only spending about 16 cents more than I would if I were buying bare root strawberries from a credible source. So it's not that much cheaper, to be honest with you. If I had to compare bare root to full planted strawberry, yeah, it's just better to get the full plant. A lot less work, damn near the same price, same varieties. Because right now, y'all, well, a little over $1 a piece. Y'all, all these are going straight into the Sprouts grow bags. Y'all, as I cruise around, man, I'm seeing that their squares or their single plants are only $3. It's right about half the price that you're gonna find them at your big box store or that I found them at Home Depot. Looks like they got a bunch of flowers up here this year too. That's cool. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and say mission accomplished. I got what I needed to get. They didn't have any elderberries this time around, unfortunately. I have to come back for those, but we got all the strawberries. That's enough to get a gang of bags going. Might actually end up coming up here and getting more, to be honest with you. For now, we cool. We also got some mint. Got spearmint and apple mint because they didn't have my elderberry. Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to you soon.